Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So this is my husband's CVS haul. I can't even call it my own. Now, he did make a few mistakes, but that is okay. I give him credit because some men would not even attempt to go couponing. So this is everything he picked up. I'm going to break it down really quickly. So what I had written down was 4 of the General Mills cereal. It's $1.99. That's going to be $7.98. There is 1 off of 2 digital coupons, and I had paper clipped 2 $1 off coupons, which all glitched and came off, making them just $2 for all 4. I had a free CRT for the chips or popcorn, which the Doritos was free. It actually adjusted down to $3.79, I believe, and that's $4 and change. So I know better that you're supposed to pay for that by itself, but he doesn't know, so that's okay. For the Crest deal, it's $3.49 this week. When you pick up 3, you get a $5 extra care buck. So 3 of them is going to cost you $10.47. I used 3, well, he used 3 of the $3 off coupons, paying $1.47, getting $5 back, making it free, and a $3.53 moneymaker, and you can do that 2 times. For the spend 30, get 10 on his card, he picked up 6 of the Tide. Well, I think he picked up 4 Gain and 2 Tide, and that's $4.94. That's $29.64. Used 6 of the $3 coupons, $3 for the Tide, $3 for the Gain, that's $18. Paid $11.64 and got $10 back, making it just $1.64. Okay guys, so I'm going to give you the spend 30 on my card. You did, and then I'll give you the one that he was supposed to do. So he picked up 4 of the liquid at $5.94 and 4 of the Tide at $4.94. That's $43.52. I had a 5 off of 40 Tide and Gain Downey CRT. He used 8 of the $3 coupons, 4 for the Tide and 4 for the Gain. He paid $14.52. And he did not get that $10 back. Now, when he came to visit me and I looked at the receipt, because he was so excited, I told him, I was like, sir, you messed up the deal. You didn't get the $10 back. So when I showed him the receipt and I showed him that he was missing the $10 extra buck, he's like, okay. And then I looked and I said, oh, the Gain liquid detergent is not included in the spend 30 get 10, but he knows that I like liquid and not the flings, so he picked up the liquid instead. But what he was supposed to do was, well, it's my fault because I think I had liquid written down anyway. But anyway, if you have a 5 off of 40, you can pick up 8, 4 of the Gain and 4 of the Tide. That's going to be $39.52. The 5 off of 40 is going to come off, and you're going to use 8 of the $3 coupons, 4 for the Tide and 4 for the Gain flings. So you'll be left to pay just $10.52, and then you're going to get $10 back, making all 8 products only 52 cents, which is freaking amazing. Like, you cannot beat that. So excuse my thing beeping over here, guys. So yeah, so this is everything. I'm going to show you a few of his receipts, and that's it. Thank you guys, and I'll see y'all in my next video. Bye. Okay, so this is some of his receipts. This is on his card. He paid 64 cents. He used $11 an extra buck, and he went back to the store after he left me. This is for the Crest. He went back to the store and picked up 4 of the Gain flings, and I got my $10 back on my card. So this is the 5 off of 40 on my card, paid $4.52. He did not get the $10 back until he went back and purchased 4 more of the flings. This is the one for the breakfast, and that CRT for the free chips adjusted down to $4.79. And this is the other deal for the Crest. He broke it up because I didn't want him to use 6 coupons at one time. So that's it, guys. Bye.